Hello everyone, welcome once again to the channel. Today we have this touchless faucet sensor. So you can use this device here to control the actual water flowing through the faucet. So that's a very good tool that you can use whenever you have a faucet and you are like handling multiple things at a time, or you are washing the dishes, or even if you are washing your hands or whatever other thing you're doing. The device is actually helpful, so you can basically control the flow of water without touching any knobs or any faucet controller. Let's see what's inside and stay tuned. Coming. Operating instructions. So you have an adapter in case you need it, rubber adapter, another rubber adapter in case you need it, the charger cord, basically that is the device in here, another rubber, and a rubber with a filter. Interesting. So you have multiple options over there to basically, based upon your needs, this is a tool that you will use to attach the actual faucet cap. So basically, not too many things in the box, but you do have like different options in case you need different configurations on the faucet you have. That is the actual device. Not too heavy, but this is actually compact so far, and you can basically attach it to the actual faucet outlet. So the water will flow through here and will come up down here. You have a filter mesh over there. The way it works, it has a sensor over here, actually two sensors. So if you manipulate something just below the actual device, water will flow until you have the hands over there or any object over there. As soon as you remove the actual object or hands from below the device, it will stop. Water will stop. And also you have another sensor up here that you can basically activate the device. Water will be flowing right now until I think it has a timer of 30 seconds so far, and the water will continue to flow until that time comes up, and automatically will close the flow of water. So it has two functions. I will show you once we have it installed. Operating instructions. So you have, as always, the instructions over here. You can see how you can set up different filters over there so you don't damage the device, how to plug or unplug, how to use it and how not to use it, or where not to use it. And you can see the two operating motion sensors I just mentioned. The continuous mode over here, that's in the front of the device, so it will continue to flow. And if you don't, so it will stop after 3 minutes of continuous water flow. And the instant mode activates when you put the hands below the lower sensor, and the water will flow until your hands or objects down there leave the sensor area so far. More detail of what's inside: rubber ring, the adapter, filter, touchless sensor adapter, how to charge the device, so you have a power cord that you can use to charge the device, and the spanner. So that's basically instructions how to remove what you have at the moment in your faucet in here until you get the device installed. USB charger right here. There you go. And that's how you can charge it. So stay tuned, we'll continue doing things like that. Based upon your comments, please leave us any comment down in the box, questions you may have, and please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button right here. This will continue helping us doing things like that. And so stay tuned, see you in the next video, bye bye.